Idar and his family stay off. Today Idar went on vacation with his family. First of all, they went to the artistically art park and created a beautiful landscape. Then they went to the cinema and attentively watched an interesting cartoon series. Idar really liked this cartoon, so he decided to go to his parents' favorite place. His parents were not a legend people, so he went to the first gracefully theater he saw. They saw a lot of performances, listened to melodiously and cheerful songs, ate sweets, and had fun. Then they came with their family to the park with an aquarium. At that time there was a bicycle race in the park. Idar was a competitive boy. That's why he took part in this. Get ready, start. When he heard the word, he went ahead and won. In honor of his victory, his parents took him to a hooked decorative aquarium. He looked after the fish with lovingly and fed them.